Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease a shape, border thickness or outline thickness using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will change this shape border thickness. Click on this shape border thickness. Now go comment option and this right sidebar. Here you will find this left arrow and select, and this is border thickness option. Here you can increase your border thickness and see this. I'll make it 8 and see this thickness will increase. Also I'll increase this shape border thickness and see this. Also you can decrease this border shape thickness, line thickness, and this one also I'll make it 8. You can increase this highest 12, make it 6, and see this. In this way you can increase or decrease the shape, outline thickness, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.